Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alma. Y'all, sorry if my hair looks crazy. Your girl just got it done, so still a bit stiff at the top, but yeah, just ignore that for now. But I just want to say a big thanks to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on Dossier for those of you guys who don't know, and there's no judgment over here. But after I put you guys on and tell you guys about Dossier, definitely go check out their website because they have so many fragrance options, you guys, and I have a coupon code for you. Good fragrances and a coupon code. What's better than that? Nothing. Dossier fragrances are inspired by designer fragrances which you may have heard about. Like this one, for example, I'll get into more detail, but this one is inspired by YSL Libre. Dossier has so many fragrances on their websites, so if you're looking into trying a certain designer fragrance but you don't want to spend that money on it, I definitely say hold on, don't buy the designer one. Get on Dossier's website, order the fragrance you're looking at, and if you like it, great. If you don't like the fragrance, you have 30 days after receiving the fragrance to return the fragrance, and you will be charged absolutely nothing, baby. $0. So I'm first going to talk to you guys about Floral Lavender, and this is inspired by YSL's Libre, the original one. When I first showed you guys this fragrance on my channel, I will put the iCards up above. I talked about how this is a great boss chick perfume, so I'm so happy that Dossier has Floral Lavender because I can be interchanging these two and no one will ever know. They smell the exact same, you guys, literally the same. Like, it's crazy. Now I'm gonna spray the Dossier on my other hand. Literally the song that is running through my head right now, I don't know why, but it's Who Runs the World by Beyonce. Like, literally it's like Who Runs the World, and instead of saying girls, it's Alma. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of vibe I get when I wear this perfume. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get me. So yes, like I said, these smell exactly the same. I have already compared them off camera once I first received them, and I was like, dang, like, again, how they do that? Like, literally every time I really try to figure out how Dossier do it, because I have not been disappointed yet. Literally every single time, they do what needed to be done. Ooh. So yeah, you guys, these smell the same. Smell really good. Yo, I just feel like that girl. Like, it's only on my wrist, but I feel like literally when I spray this fragrance, it really activates something, okay? I'm that girl, period. So you guys, I don't know what happened to the clip of me talking about Oriental Brown Sugar. However, I'm going to do a voiceover style, so please forgive me. So the next fragrance I got from Dossier was Oriental Brown Sugar, which is inspired by YSL's Mon Paris. I think that's how you say it. I really want to say Paris, but I don't think it's pronounced Paris. But anyway, this fragrance was a blind buy. And yo, why didn't nobody tell me it smelled this good? That little sprint I did on camera, which you guys missed, and I did it again when I was filming this clip. Y'all, it filled the whole room. This fragrance is amazing. No, a shout out to Dossier. They keep doing their thing. Like, I can't stress that enough. So once again, thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. If you guys are interested in Dossier and trying out any of these fragrances, definitely check the description box down below. I'll have all things about Dossier down there, as well as a coupon codes for y'all to get your money off. Dossier is already affordable because their scents start at $29, but who don't want some extra money off? So definitely use that coupon code.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed.
Yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you so much to Dossier for partnering me on this video, and I'll see you guys next week for my next video. Bye, beauties. Mwah!
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.